Hello, students, and welcome to another sixth grade math episode with me, your host, Mr. Nerlich. Today's lesson is on identifying opposites and absolute value of rational numbers. Okay, I'm going to let you know this is the longest lesson of the. No, just kidding. It is a short lesson, so let's get started so you can get done faster. All right, so opposites are the same. Opposites are the same distance from zero on a number line. So it's the same distance from zero on a number line, but on different sides of zero. Okay, and as a refresher, absolute value is the number's distance from zero. All right, so that's your notes for that part. So let's get right into some examples. So example number one. Okay, so example number one is negative absolute value of negative 4.5. So we want to find what is the absolute value of negative. Oh, we know this. We know how to do this. This is just, it's not a whole number anymore. It's a rational number. So we know the absolute value of negative 4.5 equals 4.5. So the absolute value of 4.5 is 4.5. Add the negative sign, which equals negative 4.5. All right, example number two. This one's going to get really crazy. I don't like how I did. Example number two. There we go. All right, so example number two says the absolute value of 1 and 1/2. Oh, that's a rational number. Because if you remember, if we were to get mad and change this, so let's say I got mad, right? Remember, I got mad. Multiply, add, divide. So 2 times 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Keep the same denominator. And then there you go. It's written in the form a over b. So that is a rational number. And the absolute value of 1 and 1/2 is just 1/2. All right, let's see. Number 3. Find the opposite of the opposite of negative 6.2. So we have, let's see, example 3 says opposite what's on your notes? 6.2. Okay, so the opposite of negative 6.2. So we have to think, how far from 0 is 6.2? Well, it is 6.2, right? Because we said opposites are the same distance from 0 on a number line, but on different sides of 0. So if I were to look at a number line and let's make this real simple here. We have 0 here, negative 6.2 here. Can't be negative over here. All right, so if I look at this, I see that the same distance, so to get to 0, I'd have to jump, right, 6.2. So if I were to go from 0 and jump 6, so if I went this way, so my jump was 6.2. Then I got to jump again, and of course I got to jump again, and that's 6.2. So the opposite of negative 6.2 is just 6.2. And if I were to ask you what is the opposite of 6.2, well, you would say 6.2 to 0 is a jump of 6.2, And then I'd have to, because it's the same distance, right? I have to jump the same distance again. I would jump 6.2 again, and I would say the opposite of 6.2 is negative 6.2. All right, so there's 4 problems. Try them on your own. It should take you maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and you'll be all set. Have a great day, Falcons. Keep soaring. Mr. Nerlich signing off.